Assalamu alaikum, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages. I thought Putty Cat. If anybody has watched Looney Tunes, I know my generations, millennials, Gen Xers, Zenennials, however you define yourselves. If you watch Looney Tunes, then you will remember Tweety the bird, who, whenever Sylvester, Sufford and Succotash went around, Tweety would be like, I thought Putty Cat. Well, guess what? Today's letter is this one. Boom. It is the thought. I thought Putty Cat, essentially. Um, uh, I don't know how to describe it other than the fact that, because before, if you've been following along, we covered a few letters. We covered the letter Sod, right? So imagine Sod, but instead of it continuing like that, you can just kind of connect it like this. So it basically becomes a letter B in English. That's another way to write it, right? Just make sure it connects, right? That's a ta. That's a ta 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 ta, right? And that's my kid in the background. If you heard him, great. If not, wonderful. Let's talk about how this letter looks like in the beginning, middle, and end. So in the beginning, you'll have the letter, right? And then it'll connect and it'll keep going, just like that. In the middle, it'll be the same idea. You have that, and then it'll connect and it'll keep going. As such, boom, right? And then in the end, same idea. It'll have that, and then it'll just kind of stops. Boom. So, boom. Beginning, middle, end. That's what the thought looks like. And now we're gonna pretend put ourselves, manifest our inner Tweety bird, and we're gonna see if we can, if we thought Putty Cat. Let's see how many thaws we can identify in this passage, which is the last verse of Surah Al-Fath, the shortest verse with all the Arabic letters of the Arabic alphabet, more or less. Let's get to it. Did you thought Putty Cat? How many thaws are there in this first line? I didn't see any thaws. Continuing. Thought. Did you thought the pa? That's not it. Nope, that's not it. Keep going. Tweety Bird is looking for thaw. I thought Putty Cat. Nope. There we go. I thought Putty Cat too. There we go. Right next to I thought Putty Cat. That works right there. Because if you're Tweety Bird and Sylvester is right around the corner, you're gonna go, I thought Putty Cat. Keep going. Any more Putty Cats? Whoa, look at that. Is that a thaw? It kind of looks like a thaw, but it's not. You know why? Because it's got a dot on top. So therefore, it is not a Putty Cat or not a thaw. Keep going. Any more thaws? Oh, there's another one. But this one's got a dot on top. Okay, but Ilyas is sleeping right now. Okay? Yeah. Uh, that's my sister FaceTiming my kid. Anyway, any more thoughts? Thought. Oh, look at that. How do we know if that is a thought or not? I'm blocking it, aren't I? Yeah. So how do we know if that's a thought or not? You got it on the overhead. Anyway, because it doesn't have that line. It don't look like a B. It don't look like a Bravo. Keep going. Any more thoughts? Oh, look at that. Nope, that's got a dot on top. That's not a thaw either. So let me ask you this. How many actual thaws were there? And my kid is up. All right, Yusuf, since you're being so loud and so thank you. Go talk to Popo. My kid was napping and now he's up. In the meantime, let me know how many thaws he's found. I'll see you soon. Assalamu alaikum.